Hi, Tara here again from Superhairpieces. Let's see what question we have for today. The best way to get rid of the shine on the hair, if that's what you're referring to here, is to actually give it a good wash. Sometimes when you get the hair system, sometimes they are very shiny, and if you just give it a good wash prior to putting it on, it does help to remove some of that shine. If by chance the shine is still there, you can definitely go in with some dry shampoo or maybe even some baby powder, very minimal, just to help to eliminate some of that shine. But after a few washes, that shine will start to dull down a little bit. If it's the shine on the actual system itself that's bothering you, seeing it through on your scalp, you can use a no shine tape on the system, which will help to eliminate that shine coming through. That's it for today. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification button, and we will see you next time. Bye.